how's it going? It is Fangs and welcome to another reaction video we're gonna be doing on my channel here today. So there's more training going on, and this time it's with none other than KSI. So I just want to take a look and see what's going on. It said he was training MMA with Bisping, which means I wonder if in the future, possibly, the 50-50 might change a little bit, and the boxing match that happens in England will become an MMA match that happens in the United States, because that's what Logan wanted to do in the first place. This looks like it might possibly be a little bit of a promotion video for UFC 3, but I don't know. I just want to kind of see what it looks like, because it's insane in the first place that he's training with Bisping. So we're going to take a look at this, see if it has anything to do with the Logan Paul fight. I want to say thank you guys so much for the freaking subscriptions recently. We're over 260,000, pushing our way, chugging along to 300,000. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it if you did. And if you like this reaction at the end, thumbs up button. You guys have been smashing like 1,000 likes like crazy. So I know you can do it. All right, let's take a look at this. The man knows nothing about MMA apparently. Nothing.
You know what I mean? So I know everything when it comes to boxing, and then that's about it. Everything.
He knows everything when it comes to boxing. I don't know about that, JJ. You still got a lot to learn.
Check the kick, sorry, back. Roll the kick. Check.
Oh, now he's gonna learn to do the kicking.
Your back stands here. You bring your knee up to your elbow. Can't turn it out there.
Oh, right in the stomach, right in the gahigis.
So you put your hands down on the floor. Here.
What is that?
Jab.
What even is that? Boom. Boom. Wait, what's the point of that? What's the point of doing the frog thing? I don't even understand.
And then you get back up.
Okay.
Oh, this is just a training. This is just a training.
I'm a really good fighter.
Good fighter. See, this training also helps for his stamina for his boxing training, I'd say.
1, 2. Sprawl.
Sprawl? That's the sprawl kick.
Clinch. Sorry. Here.
Oh, God. Oh, God, it's like a big man hug. Look at his face. He's like, oh, my God, what have I got myself into? This man is hugging me right now. What the heck? Oh, my God. Oh, and he's down on the ground.
Okay, yeah.
This is getting a little... Sometimes UFC, it looks a little too friendly.
Keep going, keep going.
Oh, just threw him down. Just threw him down.
Put your hand there. You're trying to fight for this position. This is a tight clinch.
That looks to me, that reminds me of like WWE, but then obviously they don't like, well, I mean, they kind of act like they need him in the face of WWE.
Elbow. Boom.
Boom.
Yes.
You can't even get it, you're just pulling your head around.
Come on. There you go. There you go. That's it.
It's all happening so fast.
That's it. Now leg.
Oh. Oh.
2, 4.
That's what he knows. That's what he
6.
knows. Boom. Look how fast JJ's hands are. I'm just going to say, look how fast his hands are. Yeah.
Let's go. Come on,
Maybe he would learn the UFC quickly.
oh, yeah.
Oh. He just body slammed the crap out of him.
I'm going to fight. You're going to come
Oh my God. Oh.
on your knees. This is guard position. You've taken me down. You're on top.
I've done this. I did jiu-jitsu in college for a little while. Accidentally. I thought I was taking a karate class. But 6 months of this. It's kind of weird. Oh my God.
Okay.
He just armbarred him, no problem.
This is called side control. There's not a lot you can do there. And of course I'm here. Pin there.
Oh God.
All kinds of stuff here.
Bisping was one on the he was one on the UFC shows, right? The Ultimate Fighter or whatever. He won or got second, at least that I think. Oh my God. He's just all over him.
Turn, and then his leg comes here. When you've never done one before, this is going to be almost impossible.
Jesus! Just smacked him in the face. See, that's kind of stuff. Logan Paul and Jake Paul did wrestling. I don't think they'd be able to do this kind of stuff. Maybe a little bit, but not exactly what he's doing.
This leg comes across my back. This leg over my face. There you go. Pull the arm down gently. Lift your hips up.
The arm bar!
That's an arm bar. You have to throw a leg kick. What you're doing, obviously, you're trying to land with the shin bone. If you land with the foot, it's slap and it sounds good, but it doesn't really hurt. It doesn't feel good, but it's not as powerful as it can be.
So he's just teaching him UFC pretty much. Boom! Oh! Punching? Boom! You gotta be pretty... Ooh, the knee. See, this is a lot of the stamina that JJ needs. So even if he's not training boxing, he's getting the stamina for that. I like that. I'm pretty sure I just saw my boy in the background, by the way. I'm not gonna say who it is, but I'm pretty sure I just saw him. Whoa! No!
Step.
Oh! Right in the freaking titties, right in the titties. All right, here we're gonna get into some boxing, guys. Let's see the boxing.
Now, start adding 1, 2, 4.
Look at him. He's teaching him a little bit of boxing.
Left hook, right hand. Back. 1, 2.
A little dancing over here. Oh.
Right hand.
Ooh, ooh. Nice, nice.
1, 2.
Gotta do it, and even in UFC.
Hook, right hand. Hook, hook, hook. Right hand. Jab.
Do you hear the power behind that?
Hold it, you see it.
There is some power. JJ's got some power.
Drop.
There you go. Oh, see the crawl.
Right hand. 1, 2. Right hand. Hit it off. Right hand. Good. Jab. 1, 2.
I think it's looking pretty good. I'm liking those jobs. Ooh, we did a little bit more than they were supposed to. Oh, he dodged and everything.
Slam. Right.
Oh, 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 oh.
Kick.
Yeah, I get it up that high.
Drop. Up. Knee. Right hand.
Jeez, look at that. We saw this a little bit with Logan.
4.
Oh.
2. Once you got the right hand as hard as you can. Again.
I just feel power. I feel
Yeah.
power.
Again.
I like it.
5 more. 2. 3.
Oh, and he's not even really that winded. Look at him, he's blowing out his mouthy nose. Oh, there he is. He's like,
Good job, buddy. That's great. That's great. Good power. Good power. You learned well.
that's very, look at that. Even Michael Bisping said that he had good power. Guys, that is some craziness right there. JJ with Bisping freaking training. He might have did a little bit of UFC, but he also on top of that showed some of his boxing off to Bisping, and Bisping said he had power. So from the training from Logan and the training from JJ so far, I'm kind of in JJ's corner. Now, not just because he's my friend, all right? I'm not pulling the friend card. Literally in JJ's corner. I know a lot of people are so nervous about this. We have so much time, but if he's gonna have a training video, might as well take a look at it. If you guys want to see any other type of reactions, don't forget, I don't have to just react to this stuff. I can do music, I can do all different kinds of stuff. You just have to let me know in the comments down below. I'll get to it as soon as I can. Let me know what you thought about JJ's training right here. Did he look good? Did he look bad? Do you think he needs to work on some things? Put that in the comments down below. That's gonna be it for this video for today, and until next time, see you guys later.